school time across Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Molto emozionati di fronte insomma a comunque un nuovo inizio, no? E quindi insomma è il primo giorno di un nuovo ciclo scolastico, per cui un po' di emozione c'è sempre, ma molto contenti.
I'm a teacher of sports science here at Carducci Dante School, and this is the first days for all students of Trieste, or part of students here in Trieste, and it's very exciting to stay with them.
I think it's a normal going on for the school, so it's not so big, but all right, we are excited, yes.
I'm teaching here in the Venezia Giulia secondary school, and I'm teaching math and science. It's exciting because we are ready to work hardly during the year.
Excited. It's a first day, and actually it's a bit short. I mean, they stay only for 1 hour and 45 minutes in the school, so yeah, it's fine.